Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Update iPhone 16 and install Zoom so features work smoothly. Once done, open Zoom and sign in. If you don't have an account, create one now. This unlocks meeting controls. Make sure Zoom has camera and microphone permissions in settings so video and audio stream without prompts. Also connect to reliable Wi-Fi or 5G to avoid lag. Good bandwidth matters for clear video and screen sharing. Now tap Join or New Meeting to begin the session. Once you tap Join or accept a meeting link, enter the meeting ID and passcode if prompted. That connects you quickly. You'll see options to toggle video and select the front or rear camera. Choose Portrait for single-person framing, Landscape for wider views. Make sure to pick the audio source, iPhone mic or Bluetooth headset. Test levels with the speaker preview. If you need a virtual background or live captions, open More and enable those features to keep your presentation polished and accessible. To finish, use host controls to mute participants, lock the meeting, or assign co-hosts so management stays smooth. Share screen via Share Content and pick the app or screen to present. If you record, choose Local Files or Zoom Cloud and confirm storage space. After the meeting, end for all or leave. If audio or video fail, restart the Zoom app, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, and verify camera/microphone permissions in settings. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.